In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Revit without a mouse. Now, this is going to be a bit trickier than using a mouse, of course, because a mouse is going to be the most convenient way to do this, but still it's very possible, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So, the first thing you can do is actually press Shift plus W on your keyboard, and as you can see here, it's going to pop up this zoom, rewind, and pan little icon or widget, okay? So you can then just go ahead and click on zoom, and then of course you can go and drag up or drag down, and that way you can kind of go ahead and zoom in or zoom out, okay? That's the first way to do it. Then of course you can cancel this, and then you can use keyboard from here. So if you want to zoom in a region, you want to press Z 2 times on your keyboard, so just press ZZ, and there we go, it's going to turn into a magnifying glass. And now of course, yes, you're going to have to use your mouse to actually kind of specify the area you want to zoom to, but this is going to zoom the region. So if I just click and drag over here, it's going to zoom into that region just like this. Now to actually zoom out over here, what you can do is press ZF, so just press Z and then F, and it's going to basically automatically fit your entire model within the active view. But then you also have like some other options, which are going to be, of course, like different things like zoom ins and zoom outs, which you can do with your mouse pad. So if you don't have a mouse but you have a mouse pad, you can try using the zoom in kind of gesture with your fingers on your mouse pad and then zoom out as well. And of course, yeah, that's as much or as far as you can go if you actually don't have a mouse. You can try some other things as well. You could go ahead and kind of try navigating around and then manipulating the Shift W over here to actually do this, but it's going to be a bit harder than actually using a mouse wheel or something similar, okay? So those are the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.